whatever.
Oh, good!
And I was like, I guess I wasn't smiling when like I usually smile. And she wrote a poem to me that said stuff like, she said, why take where I'm looking
All right,
for
so
friends?
wink at
She was
Karen.
telling
Wink
me,
at
I mean, she
Karen.
rhymed it, but she's
Wink
saying,
at the
look at all the
camera.
friends around you. Why?
There you go.
I mean, smile
That's
and we all love you and all this
That's it.
different
Wink at
stuff.
that camera. Go down.
And then Josh, the guy that
Go down,
sent
Pumpkin.
he saw it, he read it.
Go down.
He read it and then he got here, let me see this, and he gave it to me. And under you have a lot of friends. He wrote his name above it. And then he gave it back to me and I gave it back to Lisa. I wrote a note, you know how sweet, thanks a lot. That's helped me that class for me. Like they were all like,
Honey, hang on to it. What are you doing?
that's for Mom.
Oh.
There's my 3.
There. Okay. That's for baby Todd. Okay, let's sing it. Let's sing the song. Can you see Todd?
Okay, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Happy birthday
to you. Woo!
Happy birthday, dear Todd. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Yeah, let's sing that again. I like it. That's right. Yay! Very good. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Happy birthday, dear Todd. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Yay! Let Todd blow out the candle.
Todd, blow it
Todd,
out.
go. At the
Right.
candle.
Okay, eat it.
Go. Todd, go. And Todd, go. No. And Todd, go.
Stop that, baby.
Don't Todd, so go flat. Todd, look at Mommy.
Blow it.
Hey.
Right.
Here.
Now kick that baby right over. Let me smush it.
Go. 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 See? Go. Todd, do it. Todd, do it. Go. See? Todd, blow it. Todd, blow it.
He said no, Todd doesn't do
He
that.
can blow.
What's the doggy say?
What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say?
Go.
What's the doggy say, Todd? What's the doggy say? Do I care? What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say?
Todd, blow it. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That smells funny. That smells funny. Oh dear. Okay. Let's open some presents. Here. Want some presents? Todd, open some presents.
This is gonna be so cute.
Carla, let him do it.
I know, but I don't want him to get like sidetracked on just one bow.
Here. Yeah. Todd, do it. You sit down and leave him alone. You
He
let
can't
him
open
do whatever he wants. Are you kidding me?
Good, other one.
Those are all for Todd. Which one should I do? Oh, look at
So
all
many
these
choices.
presents.
Oh, Daddy, come.
Oh, what is that? That's from Karen. That's from Aunt Karen. Here, right here. Oh, fun. Okay, look at this.
That was cute. Now this.
Honey, this could take a while, couldn't it?
It's okay.
I think once he gets into them.
He'll be tired.
You need to sign the card yet.
This tastes good. We might not have enough tape.
Well, you can do that. Mommy will let you.
Wow. He's a day to remember, bud.
Whoa. Yeah, it's okay.
He's waiting here. No, no.
Whoopsie. Oops, go for those bows. Like those bows. Look at Todd. Oh, look at what it is.
Tire, telephone car.
What is that?
Sit on it, bud. That's way to good.
Open the package. Look at what's in here. Look at it.
Oh, look what you got.
Honey, all she can get is your back. What's that?
Hello, Grandma. Hello. Hello. Look. Here, I'll rip the box open. Here's her. But it's strong. Rip those packages open.
What is this, Todd?
Oh, goodness.
Just slide it out.
Oh.
Slide it out.
Cut. Cut. Cut.
You can go.
No, I don't have, I mean,
You can go. You can go because you've got an hour. Yeah, you need to go.
what's that?
What's that? Yes. Have the camera on. And here we have our 14-year-old.
Here. What?
Get down.
Oh.
Look at Todd. That's from Annette. The book. Oh.
And a warm sleeper. Do you know that's what you're doing? Like that. You like
A
that?
book? He said book today. He went book, book. He did, Mom. Book,
It's
book.
mom and dad at 3 months.
All right, you guys.
Here, so you're sitting on something. Oh.
I just want you to see him open yours.
Here.
Open that one.
Cut. 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 Let's read it out. Let's read it. Let's read it.
There we go.
Woo! And see the
What
balls
is
go over
that,
there. They turn around. Come here, baby. Come here. Come see.
All I'm getting is that Carla's behind. There we go.
Whoa, see, thank you, Aunt Cheryl and Uncle Yummy.
Oh my goodness.
Did I
Todd,
just-
what is that? Oh, look at all these toys.
Turn right here. Cut. That's good.
Oh, and then do you push it again and it stops, Karen?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna get some. Here's Dad. Oh, I got a good yawn. Oh, that was a big yawn from Dad.
Cut. Cut.
Oh dear, I don't want to get all my junk.
Dad, I'm hoping
There we go,
this is-
Karen. Oh, he's gonna be really excited about this one.
Oh, a suit. Next present.
Oh, Carla, I'm glad you're helping him.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, Karen, how cute.
Look at that.
How darling. Except, you know, know all this chatter of mine is going to be on there.
That will be on it too.
Okay, Todd, now put him in it, take him over to his car. He's got so many things. How do I stop it?
That's like Sister's marble thing. Except this one says car. He likes that thing. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Let's go in your big car. Look, take all your toys over to your... Get in your big car. He says, no, I've got all these fun things to play with. Why should I get in my car now? That's his motor. Here, look at Aunt Karen. Look at Aunt Karen. Look at Karen, honey. Todd, look at Karen. Look at Karen. Look at Karen. No. Oh, hi, Joy.
Way to go, watchdogs. You've been in and out, and then you hear someone say, hello, Dipper.
Lured it away. Mom, you know what he's doing? He doesn't like takes it off and bites it, takes it off and puts it out of his mouth. Goes away. This is so neat. See, it goes around.
That is so neat. You're going to want to play with that one, huh?
drop it. Don't drop it on the floor. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You can't get it.
Toad's gonna fall. Sit down.
You can't get it.
And he was chewing bread and he took it out of his mouth and put it in his mouth.
Was he ready for his cake? May I have my...
So he was going like that and he would look at down and go,
Carla, pass me.
see?
I think it's time for Todd to have his cake.
No, you need your bib on for cake. No. Mine's oops. And Karen getting to warm up with you. Whoa. You want to blow out your candle again? Can you figure out how to blow out your candle? Do you want a piece of your cake? Does Tom want some cake? Huh? Look at that car.
And what we're doing is that we're letting that take place in the downtown, starting here at the Circle of Palms in Fremont, and processing down South First Street, which has been join the procession as we go down South First Street. It is a participation event. Okay. Now, behind us are the two main people, Mary and Joseph. What's your real name?
Michael Gomez.
And is this
Getting on the wall.
and your name? Sister Monica Gomez. And how many years have you been married? Oh, married. My first year. Okay. Now, Sandra, what else exactly is going to go on here? And is the event going to be here in the plaza after they finish the procession? No. What happens is we start here at 6:30.
What?
We process down to South First,
Yeah.
which is called the destination.
I don't know. Cake. He's that
Ew.
good cake.
He's taking it out.
That's the frosting. Mommy shouldn't have a mess to clean up.
There you go. There you go.
Eat it. Todd, eat your cake. Todd, eat the cake. Nom, nom. Honey, don't.
Can I see this? It tastes funny, that's why I started eating it.
The cake tastes funny? Todd, oh, you're not going to eat your package. You're not going to eat that package. No. Oh, son. No, we're not going to open that one right now. Todd, we're not going to open that one right now. Here, let Mommy have it. Let Mommy have it. Thank you. That's your jammies. Play with your no. Here. Here, play with your toys. Play with your toys. We don't need this one. Oh, this is going to be great footage. It's called doing this all by myself here. Yeah, what is that? What is that, huh? Do you see the marbles in there? Do you see the marbles? Is that the sound it makes? Is that the sound it makes? Where are you going? Oh, you walked to your car. Big boy. Oops, here I go again. Big boy. Yeah, can you get in your car? Oh, you're gonna pull off your bow tie. Get in your car, Todd. Get in your car. Can you crawl in your car? Oops. Where are you going? Todd, can you smile at Mommy? Smile at Mommy. Can you ride your horsey? Todd, ride your horsey. Go get on your horsey. That's right. Go get your horsey. That's a boy. Yeah, ride your horsey. Oh, that's a big boy. Can you get on your horsey? Todd, get on his horsey. Go on the side. Go on the side. Oops. Oh, I was going to get a good walk there. There's that car fault. You like that, huh? It's stuck on your big car. Yeah, it's stuck on your big car. There you go. Fun. That's your new suit. That's Todd's new suit. Don't you get in that cabinet. There we go. Okay. And drive your car. Like those pants, huh? Like your suit? There we go. You got it off. Yeah, see it's stuck, huh? Up in the mouth. You're such a busy boy. Todd's a busy boy. He's 1 year old. He's so busy. Yeah. He's so busy boy. Where's your teddy bear? Where's Todd's teddy bear? Can you give Scooter Bear a love? Give Scooter Bear a love. Is that your book? Is that your book? Yes, that's your book, huh? One, two, buckle my shoe. Go give Scooter Bear a hug. Go give Scooter Bear a hug. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4. No, you don't eat books. Go give Scooter Bear a hug. Okay. Can you give Scooter Bear a hug? Go give Scooter Bear a hug. See, there's your Scooter Bear.